What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
What the hell just happened? MicroVision's share price has just bypassed the moon and is currently orbiting Mars. This is insane. I notified my Patreons when I bought MicroVision a few weeks ago and I'm up nearly 100% right now. But before we talk a bit about what the hell just happened, I need you to perform a very important task for me. Slowly move that cursor over to that thumbs up button and then smash it. Also go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notifications on so you don't miss out on new information about your favorite stocks. Now, let's get into the details. MicroVision's share price is currently over 30% in pre-market. So it went down from being 6% on the day to over 30% pre-market overnight. What a wild couple of days for shareholders. The share price jumped when MicroVision last night provided an update on its automotive long-range LIDAR A sample. This is what they announced. MicroVision, a leader in MVIS-based laser beam sensing technology, today announced that it has received necessary components and equipment to meet its April milestone of completing A samples of its long-range LIDAR sensor. The company also announced that it has started outdoor testing of key performance features on its development platform. We expect MicroVision's long-range LiDAR sensor, which has been in development for over 2 years, to meet or exceed requirements established by OEMs for autonomous safety and autonomous driving features. Then they go on to say that the sensor would accelerate development of L3 autonomous safety and L4 autonomous driving features that are important to potential customers and interested parties. Now, one of the things that Elon Musk has against LiDAR is that it's too expensive, which is why I really like what they're saying over here. Additionally, our sensor being designed on scalable silicon wafer and laser diode technologies will be capable of achieving scale at costs below 1000 ASP, a key price point expected for commercial success. So all of this is great news and it moves MicroVision one step closer to getting a big partnership or even being bought out by another bigger company. If we compare MicroVision's market cap with its competitor like Luminar, for example, ticker symbol LAZR, you can see that Luminar is still 8 times bigger, so the overall potential for MicroVision going forward remains huge in my opinion. So where do I see the share price going forward? Well, we have to keep in mind that we're still waiting for a strategic partnership announcement, and I think that this is the next big catalyst that will really push the price further out into space. Until that happens, I feel like we'll get another opportunity to buy some more shares on a pullback. I do think if we get a strategic partnership announcement this year, then we could easily see the share price hit $50 or more. Anyways guys, that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.